natural hair girl that doesn't know how to do natural hair, but she tries anyway. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. And if you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for the support and I appreciate you. So if you clicked on the link, you know that it's a 4C video and I'm going to be introducing my new blow dryer that I have been dying to receive. I've been waiting for it and it finally came in the mail and I'm so excited. So I want you guys to go on this journey with me as a natural hair girl, learning how to do natural hair. So I want to let you guys see like what the blow dryer I used to use. It used to damage my hair because it's not the proper blow dry. Yes, it blow dries my hair, but not necessarily straightening it like I needed to. And it also was pulling my hair out, which you don't need your hair pulled out. And it also used to damage my hair so bad. So I'm gonna let you guys see. It's still Conair, but I used to use these small teeth. Like for thick hair like mine, I need a wider tooth comb to get through my hair without having to damage my hair and pull my hair out. So I upgraded, so I decided to go with the Yellowbird blow dryer because it's just, this reminds me of the one that my grandmother used to use on my hair a long time ago. So I'm excited to get to it. So let's get into this video. And to start off, you guys, I have 4 sections in my hair. I got 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Yes, I look like Sealy, but it's okay because we're going to be all right. We're going to definitely be all right. Anywho, I already had opened up the Yellowbird box because I need to make sure that my cord was long enough so I can be able to record in my bathroom. But I do still have certain things in here that I have not pulled out, like the actual tooth comb. It comes with this. This is the concentrator nozzle. It comes with a Conair Pro, I guess like an instruction manual style wide tooth comb that I'm looking forward to using. Whoop. And the one and only Yellowbird. This is the Yellowbird blow dryer. It's not heavy, it's light. It looks like a little key ring on it. So if you have like a hook or something in your bathroom, you hang up your blow dryer, so you won't have to always have to put it underneath your cabinet. Saves room, saves space underneath your cabinet. We have the blue and red, so my cold side, my hot side, and then my on and off button. So let's get into straightening this hair. Let's add our wide tooth comb onto it. Okay. I've seen a lot of hairstylists use something similar to this, including my hairstylist I used to go to. And I decided I need to get one for myself. So I'm looking forward to using it. Let's get to it. Start section by section so your hair won't be as tangled. Because I know my hair, like once it gets dry, like it becomes a whole problem. So I'm going to start from my ends and work my way up. So let's see. What's up, y'all? Yes, my very first voiceover. And I hope you guys can understand what I'm saying. But as I was doing the blow drying part of my hair, I realized that I should have did smaller parts, smaller sections while blow drying, because it would have made it a whole lot easier because my hair is so thick. And I kept having an issue with the comb of the blow dryer because it kept falling off. I wish they would have had like a latch where you can attach it and it won't come off until you physically remove it. So I was having a really hard time with this blow dryer. The comb came off like at least, I can't even count how many times it came off while I was recording this video. But I feel like it would have been a lot easier if I would have parted in smaller sections of my hair. So keep that in mind when you guys are blow drying your hair. make smaller sections. And like I said, I haven't blow dried my hair in over a year, so I'm relearning the process and everything. So bear with me, ladies. I realized halfway through my first section that I forgot my heat protector. Yes, I forgot my heat protector. And I was like, dang, let me go get that. So I had stopped the video and went to go run and go get my heat protector. And yes, I ended up having to redo this section because it got wet. And I was a little upset because it took just a little bit too much time to even do it in the beginning. But hey, practice makes perfect. So was nothing to it but to do it. And there goes the tooth thing again. And as you can see, I'm ranting and going off in the video, talking my ish. But don't mind me, we'll get through it. If you notice, I am struggling to hold the blow dryer because I'm trying to keep the comb part attached as well. But the blow dryer gets so hot, like it felt like it was burning through my hand, but I managed to make it through the video. So I'll recommend if you guys get like some thermal type gloves to keep from burning your hand, because even with the cold temperature on the blow dryer being on, it was still so hot. And I read some reviews that some people have dealt with it melting like a piece of the blow dryer. I don't know, but it was really hot, and it was at one point unbearable, but hey, we made it through. Throughout the middle of the video, I had to keep on reattaching the comb. So if I felt like it was getting loose, I'll stop, make sure it's still secured, and then continue to go with the blow drying. Because if it would have dropped one more time, oh, there it is. For the 1100th time, that comb fell off, and I was just like over it to the point where I was like, look, I'm gonna just hold the comb myself and comb it out. We're gonna take it back to the old school days. I'm gonna just hold the comb myself because I got tired of picking that comb up. It was ridiculous. Yes, hair. I ain't seen my hair like this in so long, y'all. Got the little Beyonce wind going on. I see you, girl. I see you, girl. It's time to get those ends cut, though. I am so pleased with my hair, y'all. I didn't think it was that thick and full. I mean, yeah, I got thick curls or whatever, but, you know, hair can be deceiving sometimes. But I love to see it so full. And it's been 1 year since I blow dried my hair, guys. So I'm a little impressed. I'll give this blow dryer a 6 out of 10. That's probably the highest I can go. Yeah, 6 out of 10. But this is the ending of this video. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Show me some love in the comments. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you're big on natural hair care, follow my journey because it's your natural hair girl and don't know how to do natural hair, but she tries anyway. So stay tuned because I have some upcoming natural hairdos that I'm going to be showing you guys. Simple day-to-day hairdos that you guys can do within like 15 minutes so you can go on about your day. So stay forward for those. And like I said, this has been a year since I blow dried my hair. So this was the final outcome. Haven't flat ironed my hair in over a year either. So if you want to see me flat iron my hair, get a length check going on in there, just comment down below so you guys can get that video as well. And if you stayed tuned through the whole video, thank you, love you, and I will see you guys on the next video. See you later, VWK Squad.